bafowethu isimo esikhona la ngemva kwasekhaya nangumuzi kungena amanzi umama nobaba bangaphakathi njengoba niyibonela nje asazi noma basaphila noma kwenzakalani kodwa ke sithemba uNkulunkulu nakuba amathuba emancane ukuthi bayaphila kodwa nje sithemba uJehova njengoba nibuka nje nibona abantu bagcwele la sibhekene naleyo nkinga ke namhlanje ekuseyenzekile endaweni yethu and la kamakhelwane ayinakude la komakhelwane sekufike noba kumsweli kugcwele nje kugcwele but ke mase bekhishwa ngizophinde futhi ngini-update ema-comrades yiyo nje into esibambene nayo engekho right esiyenzekile kunzima bafethu sicela siqapheleni ngendlela engene ngayo iphushe leya nhlabathi eniyibona lapha nje isuka ngale ekamereni nembhede isicapha salahleka kude la savinjwa imoto nasi isicapha ya hayi injalo bafethu injalo okubuhlungu nje uphuma izingane abazali bangaphakathi. Can you imagine? This is painful, very painful.
This is the first incident in KwaMakhutha where mother and father have been killed in a landslide during the course of the night with the heavy rains. This is the rear of the house. As you can see, there's the roof lining and the sand is pretty much up to it. I'll show you where it came down from, and it's obviously still trickling down. So you can imagine the speed and the force that this sand pushed through this house. And as I said in my previous video, it was a family, and unfortunately the children managed to escape. However, mom and dad, on trying to escape, were buried by this sand and concrete as it tore through their house. This is KwaMakhutha, south of Durban, 20th of February, just after 9 a.m.